Hello everyone, and let's talk about building AI agent and how you get both educational and revenue value from it as an association based on a recent event I did for the American Society for Non-Destructive Testing at their annual conference. They asked me to facilitate a 2-day workshop on building AI agents for their members. And so what they did is they took an unusual approach. Rather than other associations which just do keynotes and breakout sessions on AI agent building or AI in general, they decided to instead do an actual build. Help their members learn how to use AI tools to build agents specific to the needs of non-destructive testing professionals through actually building some prototypes. And members were successful moving from sketches to prototypes within hours. The format focused on real work for real non-destructive testing inspection scenarios. In-room coaching and facilitation by me provided support and build member confidence. This is a model that creates energy and transfers practical skills as well as have a clearly relevant and useful outcome at the end of the build. This is a hands-on learning, and we know that hands-on learning facilitates, especially for adult professionals, their skill development, in addition to the actual end benefit of the agent that they build. Research shows that it builds capability and teamwork, and participants retain ideas much better and longer through such direct participation. With expert facilitation, it turns member curiosity into momentum, and members leave with a useful prototype for their work. For example, the winning team created a calibration block agent that one of the members of the winning team, who said he long dreamed of creating such a calibration block tool, he said that of the people at the conference, there were something like 200 free vendors or so in the exhibition hall. He told me that 10 of them were offering software for calibration block creation, and it was worse than the agent that he and his partner created. So that's an example of something that you can build and that's going to be so effective for folks. It also helps position associations as a tech-forward convener, signaling that the associations are on the frontier of the field. It elevates the association from a content source to a guide of innovation. High-quality facilitation, of course, is necessary to protect the association's brand and make sure that it occurs effectively. Moreover, we also got sponsors involved in the project. So one of the sponsors, Evidence Scientific, for example, contributed a number of manuals that I used to build a demonstration agent for members to see what kind of tools they might build. And that got them good exposure and got, of course, the association some sponsorship benefit that builds trust with members and partners alike. It also helps sustain a non-dues approach to revenue model. So think about having the fee for the workshop. There was a pre-conference workshop first for attendees, so they would be willing to pay some money for a workshop on how to actually build AI agents and then how to do it. And then the conference itself, I had a session on just a general session for attendees on how to build AI agents. And then we had a demo of the teams of the conference participants from the workshop. Each of them demoed their agents for the crowd. And then there was a panel of judges who are professional NDT experts who determined the winner. And the winner got the winning team all got free registrations to next year's conference. And of course, their agent got quite a bit of exposure, and that's the calibration block agent, which the team then plans to use in collaboration with AS&T to provide to all members. So this is a very nice opportunity for the association itself to develop tools and provide them to members. And this is a great opportunity for sponsors to sponsor this type of event, both for the exposure it gets them and the thought leadership that they show as sponsors, and it can help place their products. If we can use their products as a tool to build agents, then it makes their products likely to be demoed during this whole event. bringing them a lot of credibility. So structure sponsorships type slots tied to specific use cases. And so you get both revenue from participants and revenue from sponsors. Then, of course, this provides a great opportunity to launch an AI agent library from the event content. You can turn the one-time 2-day workshop build event into an ongoing member resource by creating a library of agents that your association offers exclusively to members, and of course giving credit to the members who built them so they get credibility. And these big folks can become volunteers and join an AI committee which vets and evaluates agents for inclusion into your association's AI agent library. Moreover, you can also work with sponsors to co-develop agents with them that sponsors can offer within the context of the association. So it's another sponsorship opportunity. So you get both, of course, a member retention opportunity because they get access to AI agents that only you provide as an association. Then you get sponsorship revenue opportunity from agents that sponsors co-offer with you. So for example, having companies offer agents on how to use their products. There are plenty of opportunities that you can pursue there. And you can use internal agents that volunteers and staff members can develop to help your organization internally to improve the work of your staff and your volunteers alike. This is a wonderful opportunity that can be launched with such an AI agent innovation battle at your annual conference. I hope you enjoyed this episode of our podcast. Please make sure to subscribe wherever you checked out the show and leave a review. It helps others discover the show and helps us improve the show. And if you have any questions, please email me at gleb, Gleb, @disasteravoidanceexperts.com.